In this video, we are going to see how we can effectively use the Microsoft Edge PDF opener. As you can see that I have opened a PDF file and we can see a lot of tools here. So let's say that we want to use the highlighter feature. All we have to do is just on the left hand side, we click on this highlighter and then you should be able to use it simply. Also, if you want to erase that, you can click on this eraser. And we want to draw something, we can draw it like that. And if you want to increase the thickness, we can do so just by writing it like this. And we can again select any highlighter color like we want, and we can change the thickness of it if we want to. After that, if you want to remove anything, you just remove it from this eraser, and we can add any text to it. If you want a smart typing, you can obviously increase or decrease the text size and color. You can also try to convert and translate any specific sentence just like so. For example, I want to translate this specific word into Czech Republic language or Arabic. We want to change it from here, and you can see how we can simply translate it just by using the default PDF viewer that is available by default for Microsoft Edge. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.